Hello everyone. This tutorial is for the Bio 105 lab at the University of New England, Exercise 1. We're going to be talking today about using a dichotomous key to identify insect species. So dichotomous keys are a common tool for identifying species. You answer questions about an organism in an ordered way until you narrow down which organism you're looking at. You need to be careful how you're answering the questions. One wrong answer can lead to the wrong species. We're going to be using dichotomous keys for a good portion of the semester. So in order to identify our cricket, we need to know a little bit of insect anatomy. So insects are going to have a head, thorax, and an abdomen. The thorax is covered by a pronotum. They have 3 pairs of legs, the forelegs, the midlegs, and the hind legs. The end of the abdomen in the female is going to have a long needle-like ovipositor. So the key that we're going to be using today is on Blackboard. You can go ahead and download it, and you can use that key to follow along for the rest of the tutorial. So let's try an example cricket. So the first question in our key is, are the antennae shorter than the length of the body, or are they longer than the length of the body? Can't see it here because it goes out of frame, but the antennae here are longer than the body, so we would go to question 2. Then we ask, are the hind legs the same thickness as the middle and front, or are they larger than the middle and front legs? As we look, we have a much larger hind leg, so we continue on to question 3. Question 3 asks, are there no hair-like projections on the hind legs, or are there hair-like projections on the hind legs? It is difficult to see here, but if we zoomed in nice and close, you would see that there's only short, stubby spikes, so there are no hair-like projections on the hind legs. So our answer in this case would be Achaetus hispanicus. So now you guys get to give it a try. This is the species of cricket we are going to be using in lab this week, and you're going to go ahead and key it out, write down your answer, and bring that answer with you to lab. So thank you for listening today. We'll see you in lab.